Morning students, we continue the functions topic. I should explain types of functions in that one function. Another name is injective, and onto function. Another name is surjective, and both satisfies the function satisfies both one and onto. It is called bisective function. What is one function? One function is a function has different elements in a function. Different elements have different images. That is called one function or injective function. Onto function. What is onto function? For every element of codomain means let us A to be a function. Every element of codomain element exists at least one element in domain. At least one element in domain. How? F of x is equal to y. Understand? So that is the onto function. And bisective means f is both one and onto. It is bisective function. And see one more example. Suppose for example, f of x is equal to x squared. F maps NTN. F maps NTN. Okay. Right. One, two, three, four, five, six, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both here also 7, 8, 9, and so on. So this is set n under f, under the function f. Suppose f of 1 is equal to 1 square, 1. 1. F of 2 is equal to 2 square, 4. F of 3 is equal to 3 square, 9. Right. Okay, it satisfies one different elements, different images. For one image 1, 2 image 4, 3 image 9. Okay, these are called images. What are 1, 2, 3? 3 images of 1, 3 image of 4, 3 is the pre-image of 9. Domain, codomain, and codomain elements, and 1, 4, 9 are the range. Clear? Understand? Right. And also 1 is the image of 1, 4 is the image of 2, 9 is the image of 3. And reverse. So 1 is the pre-image of 1, 2 is the pre-image of 4, 3 is the pre-image of 9. Right. So 1 satisfies. What is onto function? Every element of codomain, every element of codomain means F maps A to B. Domain, codomain. There exists at least one element. At least one element in A such that f of x is equal to y, like this onto function. Or another, range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. This also direct definition. What is meaning codomain on all elements? It is as a range. But here some elements have no pre-images, or else some elements are not image. For example, 3 take. This 3 is the not image of any element of domain. 3 is the not image of any element of domain. Or the element has no pre-image. So this is the onto function. So it is not onto. Clear? One function, but not onto. Okay, one more same function. F maps R to 1. F maps R to 1. R to maps minus -3, -2, -1, 0. So between decimal values also, decimal and rational numbers also. But I will take like this one. Okay, no problem. -1/2, 0, 1/2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, -3, -2, -1 is good, students. Right, yes. A R set R, this is set R. -3, -2, -1, -1/2, 0, 1, 1/2, 2, 3, and so on. So -3, -2, -1, -1/2, 0, 1, 1/2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So like this. Same function. F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. Same function. Let's see. Check out one. F of -1t. -1 whole square is equal to 1. So for -1, what is the image? 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 square. How much answer? 1. So for 1 also same. Different elements have same image. It is not 1. Not 1. Clear? Right. -2, 4, 2, 4. F of -2, F of 2, value is equal to 4. So clearly it is not 1. So different elements have same image, different elements have same like that. -3, 3, -1/2 plus 1/2, 1/4, 1/4. Okay, na? Right. Okay, we want 1/4. Where is 1/4? Between 1/2 and 1/4. Suppose we take here -1/2 plus 1/2, also same answer 1/4. Clearly it is not 1. Okay. Why means not 1? Different elements have same image. Same image. Onto function take. What is onto function? Every element of codomain exists with at least one element. Means every element of codomain have three images. Overall, every element of codomain acts as the image of the elements of domain elements. Okay, this is for any element they substitute in x square, you get a positive value, positive answer. Why means x square is there. If you take negative value or positive value, the resultant answer is positive answer. So for -3, -2, -1, -1/2 and so on, take below values -4, -3, that's what. Those values no mapping, means not associated with that to any element of domain. So it means for example -2 is not the image of any element of domain. Okay, -2 is not the image of any element of domain. Not get substitute any value in this one, is not get answer -2. So it is not onto function. Another way, -2 have no pre-image in the domain. Clear? Understand these two examples. Here 1 not onto. In this both 1 and not onto satisfy. Not satisfied. Clear? Suppose both satisfy means it is bisected. Okay, students, go to exercise. First problem, show that the function f maps, first one, the function f maps some set R star to R, some setup, some A to B like that. R star to R star defined by f of x. F of x is equal to 1 by x. That is the function. Is 1 1 and on 2. Show that is 1 1 and on 2. Okay, what is this set then? We don't know actually. R to R means real numbers. N to N means set of integers. But in the set is what? But given in the question where R star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real numbers. All non-zero real numbers is the result true if the domain R star. Okay, next bit. Okay, first of all non-zero. Suppose if you take 0, it is not defined. Clearly, 1 by x plus if you take 0, it is not defined. Okay, it satisfies. Suppose if you take examples like this, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is R star. So sorry, no 0. Suppose if you take -1 with -1 mapping, -2 minus 1 by 2 maps, -3 minus 1 by 3 maps, 1 1 2 with 1 by 2. So like that each and every element map with the, and also at least one element. This element exists with -1 by 3, -1 by 2 like that. It is 1 1. It is clearly 1 1. Right. And by the definition, another definition I explain. What is definition? X1 comma x2 belongs to the domain, and we take that implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2, implies that we will prove x1 is equal to x2. So in this case also we say it is 1 1 function. So take this function, different elements, f of 1 by x1 means f of 1 by x2, both are different elements. Sorry, f of x1, f of x2. What is f of x1? Means 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2, implies that x1 is equal to x2. Okay, if we take f of x1 is equal to f of x2, proved x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, it is 1 1. Theoretically, proving like this one. Take the example by the diagram. Okay, in example, okay, we prove this more problem. On to definition what? By the definition. Okay, clearly each and every element by the diagram, by the taking examples, each and every element of codomain are images of at least one element of each and every element of codomain are the images of at least one element of domain. Clear? So that is the onto function by the definition. Okay, right. For all y belongs to R star, this is codomain. There exists at least one element. This one more R star, this is domain. Such that f of x is equal to y. Such that f of x is equal to y. We'll show that. So f of x is given function, f of x is equal to 1 by x. What is f of x? Valued function we know already. Suppose this is x, this is y. Under f of x is equal to y. Therefore, in place of f of x, take x, 1 by x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by y. So that implies f of 1 by y. Okay, sorry. F of x is equal to 1 by f of x is equal to 1 by x. 1 by y. So y. So sure. It is onto function. This is by theoretical. By taking examples clearly from this diagram, every element has pre-image. Otherwise, each and every element of codomain are the images of domain elements. So satisfies about R star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Still is there problem in if the domain R star replaced by n, suppose replaced by n, same problem in domain replaced by n, function f of x is equal to 1 by x, function f of x is equal to 1 by x, right. Natural numbers domain, real numbers means non-zero numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 3, -2, -1, 0, 1 by 2 means suppose 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. If you take one, substitute in this one 1 by 1. Okay, it maps. Take substitute 2 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. Okay. If you take 3, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Clear? Understand? I'll take example. 1 means 1, 2 means 1 by 2, 3 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 element is possible in the set R star non-zero number. Take 4, 1 by 4, 5, 1 by 5. So 1 satisfies. 1 satisfies. Clear? Right. Onto means, for example, 0 take 0. So don't take 0. Why means R star means non-zero numbers, non-zero real numbers. Suppose if you take -1, for -1 have no pre-image in natural numbers, so it is not onto. It is not onto. So like the students do this problem. First of all, R star. Next case. 1 point means n place domain place n will take means it is 1 1 but not onto. In this case also 1 1 and not onto. Okay. Next question. Students, right, next problem. Okay, finally what you tell this one is the result is true if the domain R star is replaced by n. So finally is the result is true as like first one? No. Final answer is what to tell? No. So y means n as the domain and R star has the same codomain. It does not have the inverse. So finally what is the answer for the second bit? Answer no. Next second bit, second question 9. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following function f maps n to n, f of x will x. We already explained in example. Do that one again. And next z to z also integers to integers, same like that one. It is not one on y means for negative values also same answer. Okay, this also you will try. R to R, explain example. Fifth question, we'll see f n to n x cube. F maps n to n f of x is equal to x cube. Check the injectivity and subjectivity. Injectivity means 1 1 and subjectivity means on. Right. You take example like this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Right. For 1, what is 1 cube is equal to 1. For 1 okay. For 2 cube, so approximately this value 2 8. For 3, still extend this one, what happens suppose and so on 27. Okay, is equal to 27. Okay, for 3 students it is clearly 1 1. Check the injective, so it is injective function. Injective function. Okay, now what about onto? So what about 2 3 4 5 6 natural numbers to natural numbers? These are not images of any element of domain. These are not images of any element of domain. So clearly it is not subjective. It is not subjective. Right, students? So like this. Next one, f maps z to z is given by f of x is equal to x cube. This also you will try. Right. R to R. Third problem, f maps R to R. F of x is equal to step x, greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function definition? -1 less than or equal to x less than 0, minus 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. This is the greatest integer function definition. Right? R to R. Okay, take this one. R to R. Suppose I will check 1 function. 1 function. They ask prove that the greatest integer function neither 1 nor onto, neither not 1 not onto. Okay. For example, x is equal to real numbers. Real numbers means take 0.5. F of 0.5. This is equal to 0.5. Step x is equal to 0. Between 0 and 1, what is the answer? 0. Right. Take one more 0.7. 0.7 is equal to 0.7. This value also 0. So different elements, same image. 0.5 also answer 0. 0.7 also answer 0. That's why it is not 1 1. Not 1 1. Clear? Right. One more take x is equal to minus 1.2. So f of minus 1.2. Therefore, minus 1.2 is equal to minus 2. Suppose x is equal to minus 2. F of minus 2. Minus 2 step is equal to minus 2. Once you observe, students, all answers means range integers only. If you take decimal values, answer integer. If you take integer, answer also integer. So for all real numbers, here range is what? Integers. So depend on the already you learned and studied in first PUC. Domain of the step x function, real numbers, range is the z. So here in this function R to R, in this function R to R. So codomain, what about remaining elements other than the integers? Other than the integers of the codomain real numbers have no pre-images, in the domain. Right? Understand? So it is also not onto. It is also not onto. Not onto. How can you express? These are the examples. How can you write? All numbers. For example, if you take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the not image of any element of domain. Therefore, it is not onto. So therefore, the function neither one nor onto. Clear? Right. So, like the students. So we'll try third one, that is mod x function, and signum function also we'll try. Homework, both are. And once you revise from textbook the theory, read, okay, and solve the problems. Once 1 or 2 times you read the definition and examples and solve the remaining problems. Okay, students, will continue next class in means remaining problems.